Hey everyone, welcome back to Weapon Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade weapon blue star rating. So if you have got a weapon with low star rating, here's how you will upgrade it. So first we will open up our map as we have to find these blueprints first. You can find these blueprints in the safe zones, which are located all over the map. Another way to get these weapon blueprints is by using the wish machine. Now, you can build the wish machine, but first you will need to unlock it in the Memetics menu. So press O, go to the Memetics menu and click here Memetics. And under the logistics, if we scroll down a bit, here you will find a wish machine right here. So it will cost about 3 ciphers and 200 energy links. Now, once you have unlocked the wish machine, you will go to the build menu by pressing P and then right click. And here under facilities, you will find under facilities function facility, you will find wish machine. Now it needs copper ingots, which I don't have right now. So I'll just make some. And here they are ready. So now I will build the wish machine. Again by pressing B, going facilities, function facility, and here I will place a wish machine right here. And now if we go near it and press F. Now here you can play mini game to get different things. So let's just play a mini game. Okay, so I got a wrench frag, and now I will go to the blueprints. And here, as you can see, pistol, I've got only 1 star. Okay, now I will click here, right here, plus icon. And if I go to the log, I've got this one, wrench frag, which I just got from the wish machine. And I've got this one too, and it will increase my XP by this, as you can see. And now if I press a button or hold F, as you can see, my weapon is upgraded to the level 2. So as you can see, I just upgraded my weapon from 1 star to the 2nd. And that's how you can upgrade weapon blueprint star rating. If this video is helpful to you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.